Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Kobalt battery not charging, blinking light and terminal cleaning tips. Fix 1 is check the charger light. Remove the battery from the charger, then plug the charger into a working wall outlet. Check the charger light, then charge is ready. Blinking red light, battery may have a problem. No light, try another outlet or check the charger. Second one is clean the battery terminals. Remove the battery from the charger, then wipe the metal terminals on the battery and charger with a clean dry cloth. If the terminals are dirty, clean them gently with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. Let the terminal dry completely. Put the battery back in the charger and check if it starts charging. Third one is let the battery cool down or warm up. Remove the battery from the charger, then leave it at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes. Do not heat or freeze the battery. Then try charging it again. Fourth one is reinsert the battery. Remove the battery from the charger, then put the battery back into the charger firmly. Then make sure it clicks into place. Check if the charging light changes. Fifth one is test the another charger or battery. If available, use another compatible Kobalt charger. Try charging the same battery. If the battery charge, the original charger may be faulty. If another battery charge but not your does not, your battery may need replacement. Thanks for watching.